Why can you watch videos for 3 hours, but studying for 10 minutes feels impossible?
What if the problem isn't your discipline? It's your brain.
Your brain is always chasing one thing: dopamine.
Most people think dopamine means happiness, but that's completely wrong. Dopamine is the chemical that makes you want something. And your phone understands this perfectly.
Every swipe, every notification,
Every new video, your brain expects another reward.
narration, but textbooks don't work that way. Textbooks don't work that way. Your brain sees no immediate reward, so it tells you later.
So how do you fix this? Simple. Don't wait until the end to reward yourself. Reward yourself during the process.
Aid page. One problem.
One chapter. Celebrate every small win.
Your brain starts connecting studying with reward. With rewards.
That's how habits are built. Not with motivation, but with repetition. So here's today's challenge.
Study for just 20 minutes and reward yourself with one tiny celebration.
Train your brain to love studying. And one day, studying won't feel like a chore anymore. Follow Growth Doodle for more brain hacks.